How to edit and remove green screen on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can edit and remove green screen using CapCut. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. If you're wondering how you can remove the green screen in some of the videos that you have using the CapCut mobile, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. First of all, you need two medias. One of them is a normal either picture or a video. After that is done, you're gonna look up for the option called effects at the bottom. Just go there and you can find this option called video effects, and on the search bar you're gonna type in blur and search a blur effect here. Just search blur and adjust it if you want. I'm just gonna adjust it and make it a little less blur and extend it to the part of video I want, like up to this one right here. After that is done, you're gonna look up for the option called overlay at the bottom. You can find that option, just tap on it and add overlay, and on the overlay you're gonna look up for the green screen video and add it up to here. After that is done, you may just adjust it accordingly, like squeeze it or extend it up to wherever you want to extend it. And after that green screen video is added, you're gonna look up for the at the bottom and you're gonna look up for the option called remove background here. You're gonna look up for the option called remove background here. At the bottom you can find it and tap on this option called Chroma Key here. Just tap on it and you're gonna adjust it, like place it on the green color so that the background will be removed. After that is done, click right. You may just adjust it accordingly. After that, play the video, and what happens is the green screen is removed from the particular video that you just added. So that's how you basically remove green screen from the video using CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.